Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox on a fresh Windows install. So the first thing you want to do is go here to the Windows Store, and then up here just type Firefox and then hit enter, and then right here you see Mozilla Firefox. Click get. Now it's downloading. Alright, Mozilla Firefox is ready. Now we can open it. And I always like skipping these steps. I don't really log into these apps. Alright, and we'll skip. Start browsing. Alright, and we'll make our screen bigger. And now you have Mozilla Firefox on your fresh Windows install. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.